What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Tuesday, February 8th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So, today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Tendy Town. Very nice. Very, very nice. Much needed. Really good day for the stock market. Not so much crypto, but hey, I will take it. Yeah. All major indexes in the green. So, looks like we are recovering here. So, congrats to everyone who made Tendies today. You know, yesterday was kind of the opposite. Stock market was down, crypto was up. Today, stock market's up, crypto was down. So, pretty good day, you know. Can't complain. What up, low roller? What up, Easy? Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys, as always. You're going to like this. So, I finally added some new memes here. Got this one.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
So, there's that one for, you know, whenever someone new comes in. I'll play that, and then I got this one.
Winning.
You know, that's a pretty old one. Charlie Sheen winning. But whenever someone says, you know, they made a play today and I did good, then bam, winning. Bitcoin back at 44K. Yeah, it is pulling back, but you know, not too bad. Peloton fired 2,800 employees. Yeah, you're getting ahead of me here. We are going to discuss Peloton today, and that was part of the news. So, yeah, that happens. I don't know why it's going up, but we're going to do Peloton today. We did it yesterday, but today was earnings, so we're going to cover it once again. I don't know why lately I haven't been getting many views on my videos. I don't know if I'm shadow banned again or what. Kind of weird. I don't know. Like the past few days, I haven't been getting many views. But, oh well. Appreciate everyone for being here today. Let's get started. Okay. So, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And then we have only one piece of news today. Well, really two, but one's about Peloton. So, really just one. We'll get to the Peloton news later. We have news about the Bitfinex hack that happened a couple of years ago. I think in 2016 or something like that. The feds managed to recover the funds, or a lot of them at least. So, we'll get to that. And then today for the analysis, we'll be doing AMC and Peloton. That's it. Honorable mentions, Shiba Inu, CFVI. I think those were also trending again, but we did those yesterday, so we're not going to do them again. But honorable mentions there. So only two for analysis today. AMC, Peloton. Those were trending, I think, number 1 and 2, or like 1 and 3, something like that. Pretty high up there on StockTwits. So we'll cover those two. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And Yolos weren't that good today. I'm going to be honest. There weren't that many on Wall Street bets. And the ones that were there weren't that good in quality. So I picked out the best ones. But, yeah, Yolo's not too great today. But, yeah, you know, today's show shouldn't take that long. Maybe hour and a half, to be honest. Really shouldn't take that long. There's not too much to cover. Not too much news. Not too much TA. And not too many Yolos. So it should be pretty chill. Should be pretty fun. Appreciate everyone for being here so far. And, you know, hopefully more people come in. A little slow today, but that's all right. And let's get started. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Hair's looking a little crazy right now. Let me fix this real quick. Yeah, it looks a little better. Cool. Let's do it, guys. And boom. Okay, lagging a little bit. Looks good now. Just gotta take a quick drink first. Here is Peloton News article. Peloton lays off employees. What do people get? I actually have my own article about Peloton, so I don't think we need to look at that right now because we'll get to that in a little bit. But appreciate you, Low Roller. What do people get? What, the fired people? I don't know. Severance package, maybe? Because I think a lot of them were corporate positions. They weren't like... I think most of them had, pretty high up, good paying jobs. I don't think they were like manufacturers or warehouse workers or anything. So I think they should have got some sort of severance pay. Or they should have at least. Or like stock or something. I really don't know. But, yeah, I do have an article myself about Peloton, so we'll get to that a little later. So I don't think we need to look at that one, but appreciate you, Low Roller. All right, so let's get started. So Dow Jones is up 1.06%, NASDAQ is up 1.21%, and the S&P 500 is up 0.84%. So a lot of green here, a lot of green. You will be shocked what they are getting. Does it say in that? I guess we can pull that article up pretty soon here. I don't know what they're actually getting, unless the article says it. But sure, all right, we'll pull it up. Let me just get through this regular stuff first. So the VIX is up 21.3, or excuse me, the VIX is down 6.56%, down 1.5 points, down to 21.37. So looking pretty good here. Not out of the woods just yet. But VIX is coming down a lot since, in the past 2 weeks, I think we hit 38 at the high. So major pullback here, which is a good thing. We want the VIX under 20. So almost there, at 21.37 now. So hopefully in the next few days we'll get there. But looks like things going back to normal. Market stabilizing. So yeah, let's check it out. So number one gainer on my watch list here is Peloton. 25.28%, and we will analyze this second today after AMC. But this was one of the major runners, major stories, Peloton. Wow, PHUN is 16%. I did not see that before. Maybe we'll do PHUN. Because I didn't see it went up this high. It wasn't that popular on StockTwits before, but I don't know what happened here. End of the day run. Yeah, power hour run. Interesting. So maybe we'll do PHUN. Did something happen? Nothing even happened. Interesting. Very interesting. All right. Well, we will possibly do PHUN. I got to check StockTwits first, see if it's worth it. But yeah, PHUN, big gainer there, 16.22%, came out of nowhere in power hour. GME's up 12.96%, very nice. AMC 10.19%, and we will discuss AMC first today. Peloton CEO got fired too. Yeah, again, we'll get to that. Getting a little ahead of me here, but yeah, that was some pretty big news. Him getting fired and the layoffs. We got CFVI, talked about it yesterday. That's up 8.35%. So honorable mention there. We're not going to do it today, but because we did it yesterday. But honorable mention CFVI. Microvision 7.67%. Alibaba, big day for Alibaba, 6.17%. Lyft 5.37%. Clover 5.34%. Looks like travel stocks are up today. Airlines, cruises. Got American Airlines, Carnival Cruise. Baidu is up 4.75%. Looks like EVs are up. Fisker, Workhorse, JetBlue, Delta Airlines, more travel stocks there. Etsy 4.11%. Meme index is up 4% today, so it looks like a lot of meme stocks are up. Meme stocks. AMD 3.69%, very nice. Tilray 3.65%. Norwegian Cruise. SoFi 3.5%, other meme stock there. Interesting. Riot is up 3.33%. I thought crypto was down, or it was last time I checked, so pretty interesting there. Wonder what's up there. Marriott 3.32%, another travel stock, hotel. Hilton, another hotel. And Marathon is up 3% also, so maybe crypto's recovering. I really didn't see. I checked earlier this morning. Neo 2.92%, another EV. MicroStrategy 2.89%. So that's another EV stock. So I think not EV, Bitcoin stock. So maybe crypto is actually going up now. Well, that's a good thing. DraftKings 2.88%. Nikola, another EV stock there. T-Mobile 2.78%, pretty big day. Airbnb, DoorDash, those are up. Looks like financials are up. Looks like everything is up, but yeah, financials. Wells Fargo here. Amazon up 2.2%. Big day for Amazon. Roblox 2.17%. Uber 2.13%. Yeah, Ally Bank, Schwab, JP Morgan, more financial stocks. Apple 1.85%. Big day there. eBay 1.75%. Wish 1.74%. Tesla 1.62%. Viacom 1.56%. Coinbase 1.45%. Palantir 1.31%. Intel, Li Auto, Microsoft 1.2%. Morgan Stanley, IBKR, more financials there. TD, another one. Costco 1%. Everything up pretty much. Xpeng, EV stock there. DWAC. Yeah, DWAC has not been going up. I mean, it has been, but like not the last couple of days. Not too much price action. My bad about the sirens, guys. Gotta talk over it. So I wonder why PHUN and CFVI are going up so much and DWAC is not, because they all, pretty much trade in sympathy. It's still up, but not like the other ones. Pretty interesting. And then, yeah, we got Target, Chipotle, Netflix, J&J, Google. But yeah, a lot of things up today. Almost everything. Growth and value. They both did really, really good. So, overall, great day in the stock market here. Apes won, Boomers won. A lot of green. Let's check out the red side now. The founder of Peloton got fired. You can get fired. You own the company. I thought he's the boss of the company. Should he fire people since he is founder? No, you can get fired. That's what happens when you go public. Steve Jobs got fired, from his own company, from Apple. Yeah, when you go public, you have a board of directors, and even if you're the founder and the CEO, you don't have majority power anymore. Maybe if you're a private company, yes, but once you go public, you have your board of directors, and if they vote to kick you out, you're out. That's how it works. But, he'll be right. He has a lot of stocks and stuff, and, people who get fired from their own companies, they'll be all right. All right, on to the red side. So, number one loser, Novavax, 11.97%. Ouch. And then Moderna, so it looks like vaccine stocks going down here. Moderna down 4.34%, pushing 150 now. Good thing I didn't buy that. Robinhood, 3.81%. That's nasty. Spotify, 3.26%. XCLA, 3.26%. Pfizer down as well. So, yeah, all vaccine stocks down. Well, J&J was up, but that's not just a vaccine stock. ExxonMobil, 2.84%. GM, 2.46%. Facebook, Meta, 2.1%. Centro, 1.94%. Oxygen, 1.68%. BBIG 1.31%, Nike 1.11%, Ford 1%, PayPal 1%, Snapchat 0.84%, CEI 0.65%, MMAT 0.61%, Square, Block 0.5%. Then we got Verizon, Twitter, minor stuff, but yeah. So mostly like vaccines / meme stocks in the red here. A few value stocks in the red. Car companies. Yeah, mostly the car companies are getting hit hard, and Facebook. But yeah, a few select memes and vaccines getting hit pretty hard here, and car companies it looks like, and Facebook. That's like an outlier. But for the most part, really good day for the stock market, unless you were heavily invested in a few select memes or Facebook. So a lot of green here, Very nice. Congrats to everyone. Hope you made some fat tendies. And let's get on to crypto now, guys. And while we're at it, let me check StockTwits, see if we should talk about PTON. I don't know if we should do it. See, it's down here at 2,400, so it's not that important. Like, even DWAC is higher than PTON. And BBIG. And, like, they didn't get any action. I don't know why Facebook is still so popular. But no, I guess we'll just stick with AMC and Peloton. For now, at least. Alright. Crypto. What up, Zach? What up, Joe? Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys, as always. People coming in now. You guys are gonna like this. So, I got my new memes here. And Monir. Alright, a lot of people coming in now. Appreciate you guys. You guys are gonna like this. Got some new memes here. So, perfect timing.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Yep, that's for you guys. And then I got this one too. So
winning.
The Charlie Sheen winning. So that one is more for, if you guys made money, you say you guys did well today. I'm like, great.
Winning.
That one's pretty old. That's like 10 years old now. But yeah. Hey, hey, hey. What's up? So yeah, hope you guys like that. Finally did it. Alright, please smash the like button on your way in, guys. Appreciate you guys. Okay, so crypto is down 1.14% today. Yeah, a bit deceiving. I don't know why all the crypto stocks were up. Riot, Marathon, MicroStrategy, Coinbase, all of those are up. Don't really know why, because crypto is in the red here today. So, pretty interesting. But let's check it out. Start with the meme coins. So, Spooky Shiba. That one's been trending for a couple weeks now. That's up 18%. And this one looks new. Baby Musk Coin. Baby Musk Coin. Is that a dog? It's not even a dog. That's up 36%. And then Gaming Shiba's down 16.5%. So that one's been trending as well. So Spooky Shiba and Gaming Shiba, those have been trending for a couple of weeks, but they seem like pump and dump and pump and dump and pump and dumps. So what's new? What up, 1010?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Please smash the like button on your way in, guys. Appreciate you guys. All right, and then here, Galactic Kitty Fighters. I think this one was mooning yesterday as well. But yeah, Galactic Kitty Fighters up 1,750%. Bull Token, I don't know what that is. That's up 700%. And Doge Colony, 550%. Doge Colony. Is this one new? I don't even know. But yeah, Doge Colony. Mooning. What up, Busy Bone?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Crypto downturn over. Well, I sure hope so. It looks like it bottomed out, you know. Like, what was it? Like 3,500. It looks like it's holding pretty strong here. So, minor pullback in crypto today. What just happened? This can't be right. Now it says down 17%. That can't be right. I think CoinMarketCap is a little off here. It's definitely not down 17%, is it? Unless we just have a flash crash, imagine. No, I don't think that's right. I don't know what's going on with this here. Apparently just lost 0.3 trillion. 0.335 trillion. I don't think that's right. Let's check on CoinGecko. Yeah, I don't know what CoinMarketCap is on right now. They're all over the place.
Cocaine's a hell of a drug.
That ain't right. So, yeah, there's your meme coins. Let's look at CoinGecko for the actual value coins now, because CoinMarketCap has been on something. I would need to see it holds 40K for a bit before I say we are in the all clear. Yeah, I agree. I'm not totally convinced just yet, but it does look pretty good. Looks like it's holding pretty strong here. So give it a little bit longer, but it does look pretty good here. You know, a lot of people bought the dip in the 30Ks, in the 30,000s, and looks like it's holding pretty strong. So fingers crossed it holds. All right, so I do see a lot of green here. Good mix of green and red. So, but I guess it's slightly bearish. But Bitcoin is up 0.3%, Ether down 0.9%, Binance down 4.7%. That's pretty rough. Wow, USD coin is getting pretty high up there. It's number 5 now. It's catching Tether. It's quickly catching Tether, which is a good thing, you know. I don't think Tether is great at all, but USDC, at least it's backed by, you know, Coinbase and Circle. So yeah, USDC is getting up there. XRP 6.7%, very nice. XRP's been mooning the past week. You know, lawsuit looking pretty good in favor of XRP. Cardano down 1.7%. Solana down 4.1%. Avalanche up 4.9%. Damn, Dogecoin getting wrecked. Dogecoin down 5.8%. Still up 11% for the week, though. Can't complain. Wow, Sheeb caught up to Doge. There was some distance between Doge and Sheeb for a while. Like, Doge was 11, 12. Sheeb was like 15. So Sheeb, yeah, it did catch back up. Doge is at 21 billion market cap. Sheeb is now at 17 billion. So, yeah, up 47% for the week. Sheeb finally caught Doge again. But that's down 0.2%, holding up pretty well here. Crypto.com down 1.4%. Litecoin down 1.6%. Wow, Leo. What's up with Leo? That's up 41% today. The hell happened there? It's up 88% for the week. Not sure what's going on with Leo, but that is mooning. Bitcoin Cash down 0.7%. Ether Classic down 3.5%. So it doesn't look too bad. Jasmine still garbage. Yeah, what was it at now? Like 4 cents, 4.5 cents last time I checked. But, you know, there's still an army behind it. A lot of hopium with Jasmine. But, yeah, I feel kind of bad, you know. Try to warn people. It's going to sell, and then people get offended. And then report me, get me shadow banned, and then look what happens. Goes down like 80%. Probably more. Something like that. Oh, what you going to do? And speaking about shadow ban, I don't know what's up right now, but past like week, I haven't been getting many views on my videos, so I'm not sure if I got shadow banned again. I don't know if I said something someone didn't like and, and they reported me. But, you know, it's crazy to me how, I'm not saying I am, it's just a little weird. I really don't know, but, you know, like, as I get bigger, well, as anyone gets bigger, they get more haters, and people really got nothing to do, like you guys know, I got banned on StockTwits. I got reactivated on StockTwits, but someone just reported me because I didn't like what I said about. Forgot what stock it was, but yeah, you know, people can just easily hit the report button, and then they really screw your channel. So pretty messed up how much power, you know, individuals have. They don't even need like proof or anything. They just report you, and then it's like auto ban or auto shadow ban. It's crazy. Anyway, I'm just ranting. So right now, I don't know what's up. I don't know why YouTube is not promoting me. If the stocks I'm talking about just aren't that popular, or I'm actually shadow banned. But haven't been getting many views the past couple of days. So I'd appreciate it, you know, with if you guys support and hit the like button. Eventually, it'll go away, but you know, it's pretty frustrating. When haters got nothing to do and just report you. Anyway, back to this. So yeah, definitely more red than green here. There's actually not too much green. Maybe like 20 coins in the green. Really not too much. So yeah, I can see why the overall market is down. So a few growth coins mooning here. Leo, IOTEX. That's up 28.7%. No idea what that is, but major day. And Cadena, 20%. And then Radix, 11.8%. And then for the value coins, we got XRP, 6.7%. And Avalanche, 4.9%. So, yeah. Market is being held up by a few select growth coins and XRP and Avalanche. But not bad, not bad. On to the red side here. I hear a fire truck, so my bad, guys. Gonna talk over it. So on the red side, not too much price action. Most coins are in the red, like 80% of the coins. But price action isn't too bad. Everything down less than 10%. Biggest loser, Arweave. 9.2%, and then it drops down to Waves, 7.5%. I used to have Waves back in the day. Wow, that really fell off, huh? And then Loopring, poor Loopring. That was supposed to be the you know, GME partnership, and then nope, psych. But yeah, a lot of growth coins here, not too much value. There's Near Protocol, 7.2%, and Doge, 5.8%. Those are the worst value coins going down. Polygon, 5.1%. So, you know, really not too bad in crypto. It seems like some healthy pullback, to be honest. Been running pretty hard here the past week. Nice recovery, so had to give back sometime. So today we're down a little bit. Nothing out of the ordinary for crypto. Down 1.2%, pretty sideways day. But yeah, today was mostly growth. Mostly growth moved. Value didn't move too much. So yeah, stock market up, crypto down today, but not too bad. So overall, I would say today was a pretty decent day. So hope you guys made some pat tendies. You know, if not, hope it wasn't too bad for you guys.
Winning.
Bitcoin bottom around 35K. It sure looks like it. It looks like it. I hope so. You know, can't confirm just yet. But it, but it does look like, yeah, around 35K was when the apes started coming in. I think that's when, like, Michael Saylor came in and bought, like, 25 mil worth. A lot of sirens today. My bad, guys. But yeah, hopefully it is. Hopefully it is. That was, like, halfway. That was, like, a 50% pullback from the high. So it kind of makes sense. Alright, guys. So, yeah, there's the stock market. There's crypto. Let's get on to the news today. Ariana Layden, BKKT massive options in the money at $6. I guess we can check it out real quick. So thanks for joining the show today. Think you're new here, so appreciate you. Welcome. BKKT has been running the past few days pretty hard. Yeah, major reversal here. And yeah, a lot of really heavy IV here. Got to go gymnastics tonight. Good night. All right, Joe. Appreciate you for stopping by. I think it sounds like a family thing. So yeah, handle your business. Appreciate you, dude. Take care. So yeah, BKKT, massive IV here, 200%. This one, February 18th, has really high IV. So that's a bit odd. I guess around February 18th, something's gonna happen. But yeah, wow, a lot of volume, a lot of open interest for a $6 strike here. So something could be, yeah, for this week it's a lot. 4.5K. Next week not too much, but yeah, it looks like we're gonna get some major price action on BKKT. It looks bullish, you know. Hopefully it is, but it looks like it's cupping here, cup and handling, recovering. So very interesting. A lot of people buying in the money, at the money options there. So we'll see what happens in the next few weeks. A lot of IV there. So people expect a lot of price action. So thanks for that, Ariana. Your Bitcoin contract expired this month. No, they expire next month. March 22nd, I believe. Sometime in March. So not this month, but those should expire worthless. Because I have them for 75K. I don't think it's going to hit 75K. I mean, I don't mind if it does, but yeah, not this month, next month. All right. So let me pull up the news here. And it looks like Low Roller has a few articles for us. Wow, I hear another siren. I need to get the siren meme. Forgot about that. The Clambulance, like you guys suggested. Come on. Still loading. So actually, Low Roller. Yeah, here comes the ambulance. I'm going to talk over it. My apologies, guys. So yeah, Low Roller, you're getting pretty ahead of me here today. Because I was going to talk about AMC. But yeah, I didn't see this. Peloton offers laid off employees 12 months of free exercise classes. I hope they got more than that. I mean, that's pretty cool, but I hope they got like severance packages as well. I got fired and all I got is a free bike ride. Yeah, it's not everything they got. It says it's part of a severance package. So they also got buffering. Uh-oh. It is loading here. I don't know why it's taking so long to load, but looks pretty good on my ends. Let me just make sure everything is okay. It looks okay. I'm frozen. All right, give me a second here. Yeah, I don't know why the CPU usage is so high. Alright, it looks good now. So hopefully it fixes itself. It looks like it works now. Let me know, guys. I'll type it in the chat. Alright, I think it's working. It should be working now. I don't know what these articles... Alright. Yeah, I don't know why these articles are, like, making my computer run pretty hard here, but... it looks pretty good, so we'll continue. So, yeah. Peloton... So, yeah, this is pretty funny. But... this isn't all they get. That'd be pretty funny if they got fired and all they get is 12 months of free classes. But it says they also get a severance package. So they actually... seems like they got treated right. Severance package plus 12 months of free classes. So yeah, they get cash severance, extended healthcare coverage, and help finding a new job. And then 12 months of free classes. And it's $40 per month, so it comes out to about $500 worth of free classes. That's pretty funny. I mean, I guess that's pretty cool, I guess. Why not? I'll take them. It's free. I didn't know that. That's pretty funny. Thanks for that, low roller. And then, yeah, getting a little ahead of me here because we're going to talk about AMC first today. Very shortly. And yeah, I was going to talk about this. So, if you go see the Batman movie, the new Batman movie, Robert Pattinson, doesn't sound too great to me, To me, Christian Bale is always the greatest Batman. I like that whole Dark Knight series. I don't know about Ben Affleck and Robert Pattinson, but yeah, if you go see Batman, you get a free Batman NFT from AMC. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for that, low roller. We're gonna talk about this a little more when we discuss AMC. I won't accept free exercises. You get fired. You see your miserable workers for your old job. Maybe, not necessarily. I don't know how Peloton actually works. I never used the Peloton, but I don't know if you see other people in the class with you or it's just by yourself. Maybe someone else can answer that. But that'd be pretty funny if you can see your other classmates with you and then they're your old employees. I was saying the other day, maybe they can incorporate VR with Peloton. So it's not just an iPad anymore. It's like VR on the bike, and then you can look around and you see the other, you're in the metaverse on your Peloton. That's an idea. I think it's a pretty cool idea. But yeah, I'm not sure if you would how that really works. But it's free. Why not? All right, moving on here. So here's my article for today. pretty big news here. Fed seized $3.6 billion in Bitcoin stolen from Bitfinex hack. Key points. The DOJ, the Justice Department, announced Tuesday morning it seized more than $3.6 billion in allegedly stolen Bitcoin linked to the 2016 hack of Bitfinex. Officials say they arrested Ilya Lichtenstein, 34, and his wife Heather Morgan, 31. The couple is scheduled to make their initial appearance in federal court later in the day. So, yeah, I believe Bitfinex was the biggest hack ever in crypto. Forgot how much. I think it was like 4 point something billion. It was a lot. And I don't know how they did it. Yeah, I think it was 4.5 billion that got stolen. So I'm not sure if these people were the hackers, but I think they were part of the scheme. Apparently they were tasked with laundering the crypto, laundering the money. So, they'll probably get put on trial, and then they'll start ratting, and then they go after the actual hackers. Although they probably don't live in the United States. I wonder what they're doing in New York. Why are they in New York? That's pretty weird. But yeah, major recovery here. So about 120,000 Bitcoin were stolen, and the Fed seized 94,000 Bitcoin. And says they're charged with conspiracy to commit money laundering, max sentence of 20 years in prison. And conspiracy to defraud the United States, which carries 5 years in prison. So they're looking at max 25 years. They are both rappers. Are you joking? I didn't hear anything about that, but that would kind of make sense. That's one way to launder your money. But I don't see how you can launder $4 billion worth as a rapper. Ain't no rapper worth $1 billion. Well, I guess Jay-Z is. But they're like low-level, no-name rappers. I don't know how they thought this would work. Anyway, so yeah, really, really big news here. I'm glad they recovered the money. Is Bitfinex even still around? Are they still operating? I don't even know. But, hope they return this money either to Bitfinex or, or they use the funds for good for the public, give back to the country, give back to the citizens, and not just blow it on something dumb. So, yeah, I'm glad they got the guys, although it's probably not them. But, glad they recovered the funds, and hopefully they return the funds or use it for good. But, good news here. Thanks, Low Roller, for that. Alright, so that's all the news I got for today. Only one piece of news, some pretty big news, but nothing too crazy going on today. So, only got one more article about Peloton, and we'll get to that once we discuss Peloton. So let's jump right into the TA today, guys. BKKT to the moon. So I haven't been paying too much attention to BKKT. I did see it was up a couple days in a row. Yeah, but it is recovering here, and it's not really big on social media just yet, not on StockTwits. But yeah, kind of looks like it's low-key squeezing BKKT. So sounds like you're in it, Ariana. So congrats to you, and hope it keeps on mooning. But it does look pretty bullish, I will say. Just based on the chart here. Cup and handle. Bull flag. This might even be a gap here. That is that is a gap at 12. So, yeah, a lot of bullish indicators here. Cup and handle, bull flag, gap down. So, looks like it has a lot more room to run. So, good luck to you. Hope that prints. Alright, guys. So, today, once again, we're going to do AMC. I'll take a drink here real quick. Alright. So today, guys, once again, we're going to do AMC and Peloton. Those are trending pretty high up on StockTwits, number 1 and number 3, I believe, or 1 and 2. Can't remember. And honorable mentions to PTON, CFEI, but we talked about those yesterday. Or not PTON, but CFEI. And Sheeb. So we're not going to do those today. We're just going to stick with these two. Shouldn't take too long. Here is Site. Still in business. Alright, so they are... I don't think you could use them in the United States, though. Or not in New York. I know you can't use them in New York for sure. Look at the crappy website. I believe it is crappy. I think I had an account. I used to, and it was pretty bad. GameStop pumping today. Yeah, a lot of memes pumping today. GameStop included, but GameStop doesn't get, that much mentions anymore for some reason. It's all about AMC now, even though GME is the original meme. All right, let's do it. Don't forget about GameStop. What about GameStop? Oh, we're not going to talk about GameStop, but honorable mention, GameStop, yeah. Alright, let's do it, guys. So here is AMC. Here is AMC Entertainment. This finishes at $16.43 today. That is up 10.19%. So major day for AMC. This was number 1 on StockTwits, so we have to talk about it today. No real reason to justify this price action today. We did have some minor news, which we'll check out in just a second here. And also, memes and growth in general today did pretty well. So AMC was included in that. Let's check out the news here. So first of all, AMC reaches lease agreements with URW. So I think they're opening more theaters in DC and San Diego. Apparently they were former ArcLight locations, which is another movie theater chain. And they have plans on opening more locations very soon. So pretty bullish news there. Expanding. Acquiring and expanding. And then where is it? And then we have some news about the new Batman launch. So if you see the movie at AMC, you get a free NFT, free Batman NFT. So a little bit, so a freebie there. Minor news, but pretty cool. So yeah, not sure how much those pieces of news had to do with the run today, but probably had somewhat of a factor. So just speculation. Today's run caused because of meme stocks going up in general, and because of some pretty decent news. So let's go ahead and analyze here. What up, Marvin? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
New meme, dude. Actually, should add one here. Okay. So, first of all, this does look like a cup and handle in the making here. Bottom of the cup being 1410. And there are multiple possible tops. Looks like it could be 2435, 3090, 4460, 5240, or even as high as 65, although that's not very realistic. I think the most realistic top is either 2435 or 3090. But it doesn't really matter where the top of the cup is. Those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us this stock should eventually come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And really, that's all I see here. Yeah, I don't really see anything else. No indicators. I'm dead, lol. Yeah, I thought you guys would like that. New meme. So every time someone comes in, you know, hey, 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 what's up? Glad you like it. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1650 and 1535. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1650, 1730, 1855, 2035, 2245, 2435, 2535, 2675, 2785, 2895, 3090, 3195, 3365, 3480, and then 3605. There is resistance above 3605, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1535, 1410, 1295, $12, 1090, 985, 890, 710, 610, 520, $4, 295, and then the low of 205. So right now at this current price, 1645, 1643. The channels to the upside are pretty wide, up until 2435. So from 1730 up until 2435, expect a significant increase in price action, and if/when this breaks 2435, expect the price action to come back down to normal. And then to the downside, the channels are pretty narrow, so expect a regular to low amount of price action if this runs to the downside. RSI is currently at 38, so a little bit below average there. Not quite oversold and undervalued, but according to the RSI, this price is below where it really should be. And this did 51 million in volume today, which is below average, so this pump today was not confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. There's really not too much to go off of here, but we do have bullish indicators in the possible cup and handle and a slightly bullish indicator. But yeah, we have a bullish indicator in the cup and handle and slightly bullish indicator in the RSI. Really no bearish indicators and no neutral indicators. So overall, the stock does look slightly bullish to bullish in the short and long terms. It does appear like 1410 was the bottom. Hopefully it is. And it looks like the stock is starting to reverse. And hopefully it's only up from here. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, you did miss some pretty good entries already, down from the bottom at 1410. But here at 1645, it's still not a bad entry. You may be able to get a little bit better if you hold off for a little bit, for a couple of days. But I really have no problems with you guys buying in at 1650. Pretty decent entry. And if it pulls back below 1650, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. But yeah, it looks like a pretty decent buy. A lot of upside potential, not too much downside potential. Bullish indicators, no bearish indicators. So, really can't go too wrong here. Going long. So I would support that. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, couple bullish indicators, no bearish indicators, a lot of upside potential, not too much downside potential. And this is AMC. Never underestimate the apes. So I would say going short here would be a high risk, low reward play. Doesn't make too much sense. Way too late to the party. Should have went short a long time ago. In the 50, 40, $30 range. Here at 1645, it's just way too late. Really no point in going short here. Good chance you're going to get squeezed out if you do decide to do that. So it doesn't seem to be too smart. Don't really see why you would do that. So I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. So pretty straightforward here, guys. Looks like a pretty decent buy. In the short and long terms, can't go too wrong. and really no reason to short this. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMC Entertainment. All right, and Peloton. Okay, here is PTON Peloton Interactive. This finishes at... My bad, guys. Someone's calling me. Let me just mute that. This finishes at $37.27 today. That is up 25.28%. So we talked about the stock yesterday, and today we had earnings, major price action. So it was trending pretty high up on StockTwits today. I believe number 2 after AMC. So once again, we will analyze Peloton today. So like I said, we had earnings, and we do have some additional news. So let's check that out first. I have an article from CNBC. Give me a second here. Let's pull that up. Okay. Looks like we're good now. Lagging a little bit, but looks like we're good. All right, whatever. Let's read. Peloton names tech exec Barry McCarthy to replace CEO John Foley. Unveils plan to cut costs. Key points. Peloton announced Tuesday it plans to replace its founder and CEO John Foley and cut 2,800 jobs, or about 20% of corporate positions. Barry McCarthy, former chief financial officer of Spotify and Netflix, will become CEO and president and join Peloton's board. Peloton said it expects to slash roughly $800 million in annual costs and reduce capital expenditures by about $150 million this year. Okay, and now the earnings. So EPS was negative $1.39, which missed the estimate of negative $1.2. And then revenue was $1.13 billion, which missed the estimate of $1.5 billion. So pretty bad earnings. They missed on both EPS and revenue. And I'm not exactly sure if the news is bullish or bearish. I guess it's subjective. It could be bearish because they're not doing well financially. and having to downsize a lot. But it could be bullish because they're reorganizing their company to make a comeback. So the news is subjective, but earnings-wise, they did pretty bad. So I don't really understand what's going on here. Bad earnings, possible bearish news, but the stock is mooning today, up another 25%. So it kind of seems like the apes like the stock and are buying the dip and low-key causing a short squeeze here. Just speculation, but really can't explain what's happening here. This is pretty weird. But hey, not complaining. Pretty interesting stuff going on here. So let's go ahead and analyze now. So first of all, we have a gap down at around $86. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us the stock should eventually come back up to $86 to fill that gap. It may take a while, but eventually it should. And then we also have a gap up at $24.50. So that would be a bearish indicator that is telling us the stock should eventually come back down to $24.50 to fill that gap. This also looks like a possible cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being around 23. And there could be multiple possible tops. It could be $43. $47. $55. $62. $93 or even $97. Although I do think the most realistic tops would be somewhere in the $43 to $55 range. But no matter where the top is, those are all bullish indicators that is telling us the stock should eventually come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And this also looks like a possible bull flag forming, which would be a bullish indicator. No confirmation just yet, but we do have a flag pole formed. So all that's needed is the flag next to get confirmation, and that would suggest that the stock would like to break out to the upside. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 37.55 and 34.05. So if this goes to the... Oh, and I forgot. Yeah, we'll get to that next. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 37.55, 40.55, 42.85, 44.85, 47.30, 49.55, 51.40, 54.95, 58, 62.35, 69.65, 75.75, 80.15, and then 84.10. There is resistance above 84.10, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support. Would be 34.05, 32.25, 29.35, 27.80, 26.15, 24.60, let me zoom in here. Why am I lagging so much? So 24.60, 22.80, 22.80, 21.60. Oh. And then the low of 21. Oh, no, my bad. And then the low of 17.70. So right now at this current price. Oh. And in the aftermarket here, this is running to the upside. Actually, nah, forget it. So right now at this current price, 37.27. The channels to the upside are pretty wide. So if this continues to run to the upside, expect a significant increase in price action, especially if / when this breaks 51.40. The channels get really wide. But yeah, if this continues to run to the upside, expect a significant increase in price action up until this hits 84.10. Actually, you know what? Not even, because they're still pretty wide after that. And to the downside, the channels are also pretty wide up until 29.35. So expect a significant amount of price action. But if / when this breaks 29.35, expect a significant decrease in price action. RSI is currently at 60, so a little bit above average there, but nothing to be too concerned about just yet. And this did 245 million in volume today. That's a lot of volume. Yeah. Biggest volume day ever for this stock. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Yeah, this is like low-key squeezing today. Alright guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So longer term, this does look like a pretty good buy. A lot of bullish indicators. Gap down, cup and handle, bull flag. And we have a bearish indicator in the gap up and slightly bearish indicator in the high RSI and volume. So I think in the shorter term, this will pull back a little bit. But longer term, it does look like a pretty good buy. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, personally, I would hold off for a little bit. I do think this will come back down to 24.60 to fill the gap up. I think if you were to buy in right here at 37.25, that would be kind of FOMO. You could get burns pretty bad. You can lose around 40 to 50% if you buy in here, because you already missed two days of major price action to the upside. So I would personally resist FOMO here. I would set the buy orders at 24.60 where the gap is, and I think that'd be a really, really excellent entry. I think it should come back there before it runs to the upside. Before it goes back up to the upside. before it runs back to the upside. So I don't like the current entry of 37.25, but hold off for a little bit, maybe a couple of days, couple of weeks, and you should be able to get a much better entry at 24.60. And if it pulls back below 24.60, then you can just average it down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. Honestly, it looks like a pretty decent play, but it's pretty risky as well. Like I said, it should pull back to 24.60 to fill the gap. So from this current price, that'd be around a 40 to 50% upside or downside. So a lot of tendencies to be made to the downside here. But it is pretty scary because this is like low-key short squeezing right now. And if this does continue to run to the upside in the meantime, which it very well could, you could get in some trouble here. So it does look like a good play to me. But I would only recommend doing that if you're able to withstand upside pressure here, if you have the bankroll for it. Because there's a good chance this goes to the upside for a little bit longer. So I would say going short here would be a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot, but again, there is a bit of risk involved. So if you decide to do that, please do it at your own risk and please cover at 24.60 where the gap is. You don't want to hold this one too long on the short side, but it could pay off pretty big. So yeah. In summary, short term, I think it's going to pull back. Longer term, it definitely looks like a good buy. A lot of upside potential here. It should eventually come back up to 84.10 and higher to fill the gap, and possibly even higher. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is PTON Peloton Interactive. All right, guys. So yeah, that didn't take too long. We're done with the TA now. Only 2 to analyze. And now let's get to the Yolos. So, not sure how many people are still here. I think a lot of people left. But appreciate everyone who's still here. And yeah, let's finish up with the Yolos. It says 2 people, so appreciate whoever's still here. Yeah, honestly speaking, the Yolos weren't too good today. Not too many to choose from. But let me pull them up. We'll do them, and we'll get out of here. So, pretty short show today. We should be done in like 20 minutes at most. So, give me a second here to pull it up, and we'll finish up here. Alright, just going to let this finish loading. And we'll get started. Come on. I don't know why it's taking so long. Alright, I think we're good. So today, nothing too serious, guys. We have a GME YOLO, Peloton YOLO, Facebook YOLO, and then APPS and Fiserv YOLOs. Not sure what the last two are, but there really weren't too many to choose from. So, yeah, let's take a look here. So this one is by Meadow Gaming. Wish me luck, Artards. YOLO'd all the money I've saved over the past few years into GME calls using 20-to-1 leverage. I can't see how this could go possibly wrong. Can't go tits up, right? If I lose the money, I'm basically effed. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. If I go down, I will go down with pride. So, and then he says, update, he sold for 7K profit. So I guess let's open up some images here. I don't like this whole image thing. They need to fix this. Okay. So this is in euros. So euro poor here. So apparently he was down. First of all, don't do this, guys. Don't take 20-to-1 leverage. Pretty bad idea. He just got lucky. But this could have went really bad. But yeah, it looks like 3,000 shares of GME. Here he was down 2,900 euros. And now he's up. Oh, it's also in dollars. All right. So here he was down $3,300. And now he's up $7,300. And then he sold it. So gave a little back. Maybe not, actually. No, he sold it. So yeah, he sold it for about $7,300 gain here. 47% gain. Very nice. So yeah, once again, guys, I don't recommend you guys do this. This is really risky, especially if it's money you can't afford to lose. But, you know, this is Wall Street bets. And I'm glad this guy made it out alive here. Because I could have went really, really bad. Don't do this, guys. At least there were calls. I mean, not... Oh, there were calls. Oh, I thought I was going to say at least they were stuck. No, there were calls. So, yeah. Pretty risky play. Paid off here, but don't do this, guys. You're probably going to lose your money if you do. So, Meadow Gaming, thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. Got really lucky. Glad it worked out. And I recommend not doing this again in the future. But yeah. Congrats to you. Thanks for posting, and good luck, dude. Alright, this one is by Anonymous PK. Peloton YOLO. Peloton's bad, and anyone with a Peloton should feel bad. Also... Alright, anyway. Yeah, so, seems like Peloton puts. Yeah, $30 Peloton puts February 11th. So, super FDs. So, yeah, 100 puts for Peloton. $30 strike expiring February 11th. Super FDs. 3 days to go here. So, this was about a 9K YOLO. And right now he's down about 900 bucks. Down 10%. So when was this posted? 2 hours ago? So Peloton is now at 37. So I don't know. I don't know how. I don't know. This got downvoted. That's pretty funny. So Peloton bear here. You know what? The play itself, it's actually not a bad strike. I don't think it is. But bad expiration. Super FD. Got to give yourself more time. And it's not timed really well right now. So super risky play. I think if he gave it more time, this would have worked. But I don't know why he thought it was going to go down, you know, this much. 20% in 3 days here. He may be right. But yeah, this is a good way to chuck $9,000. So we'll see what happens. I have a good feeling this is going to expire worthless and he's going to lose all his money. Maybe even tomorrow, consider cutting if this keeps going bad. But yeah, not much else to say. So, Anonymous PK, thanks for posting. Good luck to you, dude. You're going to need it. That is a really, really risky play. Super FD. But he knows what he's doing. He knows this is a degen play. So, good luck to you. Hope it works out. And please post updates. Want to see how this goes. You're going to need it. Going to need some luck here. Alright, this one is by Mike Ox 666. 8K Facebook loss. I feel like shiz, not gonna lie. So, alright, so these are Facebook shares, I think. Bought the dip, and it kept on dipping, and he says he lost a lot of money on QQQ as well. And he made an edit, said he closed the position down $10,000. And he says it's going to be ramen for a couple of months, but he'll be back. All right, let's check it out. So, what do we have here? So, cost basis, $69,000, lol. And here he was down like 8K. So, he had, what, 269, lol, shares of Facebook. So yeah, not sure why he sold, to be honest, unless he was in margin. He says he had the urge to go in a margin, but I don't know if he actually did go on margin. Anyway, so this is the motto, right? Buy high, sell low. Or buy low, sell low. I don't know why he sold here. This is pretty ridiculous. He had to be on margin. I don't know, because it's already at such a low price. Just hold, dude. Like, why would you just cash... Why would you cash in for a $10,000 loss? It doesn't make sense to me. So, not sure if he went in on margin or not. I think he did, because I don't know why he would sell. But yeah, don't use margin, guys. Very risky. And yeah, it takes a special type of ape to do this. He bought the dip, and he still lost 10,000 bucks. And then he sold it for a loss. Like, just hold, dude. I don't understand anything about this. All around really, really bad. So, yeah, this is, I don't know how this is possible with shares. This is ridiculous to me. But hey, Mike Ox 666, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. Don't feel too bad, because this was totally self-inflicted, not smart. And yeah, I mean, at this point you already sold, so at least you get like 3 years of tax write-offs. And yeah, enjoy your ramen, and hope to see you back here, dude. Good luck to you. Good stuff. Alright, 2 more. Oh, this one got deleted. Alright, never mind. 1 more. So this one is by Killer Durgin. Fiserv for the win. Called it yesterday that even on hitting earnings estimates, the stock was going to drop. I probably should have took everything from my Tyson trade and put it into this one. But gains anyways. All right, so yeah, this was a not much. This was a 30 or $2,300 YOLO, 15 calls or 15 puts for FISV, 104 strike, and then sold it very quickly for almost 6,700 bucks. So about a 200% profit here, very quickly. I mean, it's already over. Got in, got his tendies, got out real quick. So not the most impressive YOLO money-wise, but, 200% in, I think, a day here. That's pretty impressive. So, well done, well done. Pretty risky. Super FD, but worked out here. So, Killer Durgeon, thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. Pretty risky, but, you got in, got your tendies, got out, hit the sell button. So, congrats to you. Enjoyed the tendies. And, yeah, good luck to you. Look to hear from you in the future. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for today. So pretty short show. Not much news to cover, not much TA to go over, and Yolos were subpar today. Wall Street Bets is slacking for sure. In the past couple of weeks here. So, yeah, thank you guys for the show. Thank you to all the regulars who popped in. Some new people, so appreciate everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed today. Pretty chill. And don't think too many people are left, but that's all I got. So unless anyone else has anything else to say, questions, comments, concerns, charts you want me to look at, otherwise we'll get out of here. Are we in any plays coming into Thursday's inflation numbers? Me specifically, no. I'm just riding SPY and hedging with crypto right now. I just continue to sell covered calls on crypto. I mean, I guess that counts because, crypto is a hedge to inflation, but I just always have been in crypto. So that's going to be interesting. Thursday's inflation numbers. I mean, it can't be that good, but I expect it to be a little bit better than it was, because they are starting to taper. And I think yesterday we went over an article saying the Fed plans to taper like 7 times this year. That's a lot. But, yeah, I don't expect great numbers, but it should be better than it was before. I think last month in January. So inflation is slowly getting better because, we are like emergency tapering now. My VXX calls are down, may average down tomorrow. Stay safe. So VXX calls would mean that you think the market is going down. Okay. Well, I mean, very possible if it's because of inflation. So just be careful, dude. Don't want you to go bust there. But, all right. So appreciate everyone. And I think that's it. So let's get out of here, guys. Okay. I don't know why it's lagging. What's up with my computer today? Or the internet? Just give this a second here. Well, it looks like it's not getting that much better. Whatever. I don't care. Let's do it, guys. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on The Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. But now it wants to work. All right, I guess we'll do take two, because now it's working. Take two. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.